Hello everyone, this is Marshall Giller, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing you today's trading ideas. Well, the dollar was gaining, but then fell overnight after U.S. National Security Advisor Michael Flynn resigned. But, in my view, there's really no reason why his resignation should have hit the dollar. Sure, it suggests that Trump won't get everything he wants, but so far he's gotten a lot. And there's a specific reason why Flynn resigned. Not just that Congress isn't giving Trump everything. Furthermore, Flynn wasn't involved in making economic policy anyway. I think the story will quickly blow over and people will start to focus on tonight's Yellen testimony, which I think will be relatively hawkish. That should send the dollar back up, particularly against the yen. My second idea, Chinese inflation jumped in January. The headline CPI rose to 2.5% from 2.1%. That's a big increase. But producer prices soared to 6.9% year on year, up from 5.5%. That's amazing, considering they were still falling on a year basis 6 months ago. Now, Chinese prices affect prices worldwide since China exports so much. The two major countries where the authorities are starting to even think about inflation are the US and Britain. I think the sudden jump in Chinese inflation is likely to make the authorities in those two countries more concerned about inflation and make them more likely to raise rates, or at least make them more likely to talk about raising rates. That's positive for the dollar and sterling, especially as UK inflation data is coming out today. On the other hand, the ECB and the Bank of Japan would probably be happy to have higher inflation. By keeping rates steady while inflation rose, that would give them lower real interest rates and help their economies. So, higher Chinese inflation is probably negative for the yen and the euro. My two trading ideas for today, I think you should think about buying the dollar or the pound and selling the yen or the euro. This is Marshall Giller, Head of Investment Research at FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.